Hi there, my name is Alex Gurba. I'm a registered physiotherapist at Gemini Health Group in Richmond Hill. And this is our Gemini Lumbar Cushion, an absolute must-have for anybody working from home, spending lots of time in the car, or spending lots of time in front of a computer. We took 18 months at Gemini to design this cushion to be better than the competition in a few different ways. First of all, it has dual adjustable straps. These keep it nice and firm exactly where you want it and prevent it from moving up or down, which can be extremely uncomfortable. We designed it with sturdy buckles. These ensure that you can switch it from your dining room chair to your car seat to your fancy office chair. We made it from 100% memory foam that will contour itself nicely to your back, make sure that it's comfortable and yet supportive. We made it with a removable, machine washable mesh top that will keep it nice and clean for you. Today, I want to demonstrate how to use this with a dining room chair because, like many of us, I'm working from a dining room right now. You can use it with a fancy office chair as well, the same way, but I'm going to demonstrate how to use it with a dining room chair. You strap it over the backrest very easily with the adjustable dual straps. You place it about 5 to 6 inches above the base of the chair. When you sit, you want to make sure that your bum fits nicely under the cushion, and that creates a nice backward curve in your low back. You want to lean back into it and make sure that your back muscles are relaxed. The goal of this cushion is to ensure that you're in good posture without having to work for it. Relaxing your back is the first step to being able to complete a full day of work without back pain. If you have any questions about how to use the cushion or how to purchase it, please email us at info@geminihealthgroup.ca. Thank you.